So hey guys, this is Navdeep Singh Jitla. Thank you for clicking this channel. Today we are talking about Canada study permit refused cases, and today we're gonna discuss one of the major ground for the refusals. And if your case has been refused, you applied maybe on your own or maybe through some expert, and unfortunately the visa application got refused. Let's try to understand what could have been the reasons that visa officer refused your application. So one major factor, one major ground that I personally have come across in majority of the visa applications is purpose of visit. When visa officer says that I'm not satisfied that you are a temporary resident and you will leave Canada before the end of your authorized period of stay based on the purpose of visit. So see, purpose of visit has direct connection with your program selection, with your intentions to study in Canada, and with your bona fide status. So let's presume if students already having masters in India or in their home country and intending to study a same level of program, maybe into some different stream, but almost sort of a same program in Canada, it is most likely that the visa application will get refused unless it is precisely explained in the SOP that why you are intending to study the same level of program, which might be slightly different, but again it will be on the discretion of the visa officer to approve that application, but the chances would be very minimal. So in case your application got refused based on purpose of visit, it means that the visa officer is not satisfied with your academic profile and your intentions to study that particular intended program. So he is not satisfied that you would be able to complete that program, or whatever the investment that you're making to study this program is not justifiable in some or the other way that you will study this program, or maybe is not satisfied with your long-term goals, that how this program will help you in the future and why are you intending to invest so much in this program, and would even your investment be justifiable in the future. So all these factors are evaluated. It should be very convincing that if you'll make the investment in future, you would be able to recover all those investments, or you'll get some return based on whatever the skills you'll be learning in that particular program. So this is very important. If this is the case where a visa officer was not able to satisfy, or not able to even understand that why are you willing to study this program, he will not approve the application. Even if your program is like you have chosen the right level, for example, if you are already graduate in India, so or in the home country, you have chosen the graduate certificate program or maybe PG diploma or masters, completely fine, but you have to explain what is the current knowledge that you have and what skills you would be learning, knowledge you will be obtaining or capturing in the intended program, and how and where would you be applying that in future, so that you can justify your investment. This is very, very important. If the SOP is vague, like you have not explained everything in detail precisely, that these are the skills, this is what I have, this is what I'm going to learn, these are my long-term goals, and this is how this program is going to help me to achieve that. Going forward, I'll be doing this where I can justify my investment, and I have strong ties back in India, and so this is the way your SOP should be written. So I see refused cases. When we personally do the refused cases, we take it very seriously. We understand what went wrong, as we are discussing right now, like the purpose of visit. So if as we were discussing, the program level is accurate and everything, but still visa application got refused, it is 100% that visa officer could not understand why are you willing to study this program, which means that the SOP was maybe vague, maybe the content was not convincing enough. There may be, I find that particular space only where we can work upon, because the other things are already justified or already in front of the visa officer, that you have studied this program and everything.